In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use the search bar tool feature in order to search or look for a specific item on Sainsbury app or the account. So in order to use the search feature to find specific item, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Sainsbury account, open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in sainsbury.co.uk. When you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So from the main home page, you could go ahead and use the search bar tool feature to search for items. You can see right on top, this is the search bar tool. So here you could press on it and type in the product that you're looking for. I'm gonna go with, when you locate the particular item, then you could go ahead and look for a list of variety that's available. So here you could go ahead and just do the thing, and you can also filter it by dietary, brand, all that. You could follow the steps, and likewise you could go ahead and add it to your cart by tapping on add button, and that's going to be added to your cart. And that is how you can use the search bar tool feature to look for specific items or product on Sainsbury. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.